was no gravity that sucked me in your orbit. There was no magnet that was in your heart. The one restriction was the friction that was keeping us a little too far apart.
Hi, and welcome to my video. This week I am sharing 2 Valentine's Day breakfast options. The first is a very indulgent oatmeal with a raspberry topping, perfect for someone who has a bit of a sweet tooth. The oatmeal portion of this dish is prepared very much as you would prepare any oatmeal. And if you've never made oatmeal before, then you simply take the ingredients, put them into a pot, and cook them up on the stovetop. It takes very little time or effort to do. You just cook the oats until they're a texture that you like, and then set them aside. You should also feel free to substitute any of the ingredients that I've listed for things that you have on hand or things that you like better, as per your dietary preferences. For the topping, you need only 3 things: raspberries, lemon juice, and a little maple syrup. You could use honey if you want. And you simply set those over medium to medium-high heat and just let the raspberries cook in the lemon juice and the maple syrup. If you like this a little on the runnier side, then cover it up. Otherwise, you could cook it uncovered as well. Considering how pretty this is about to look, it's almost crazy how simple it is. Once you have those 2 elements, that's it. You layer it up, plus any other toppings you want to add.
Hold on to me, and hand we'll follow. Hold on to me, as if you had a choice.
I made you your favorite North American breakfast.
Which is pancakes.
No, it's oatmeal.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
This is the oatmeal of the kings. I love it.
What are your initial thoughts?
It's really beautiful. It's more like a dessert. A lot of goodness in it and a lot of beautiful colors. Can't say no to chocolate for breakfast.
No, you
Especially
can't.
when it is branded Lindt.
I know.
Oh, these I love the shape of these bananas, star shape.
Yeah, I cut
I'm
them
going
just
for
for
it.
you.
I have to dig deep so that I get all the layers of the oatmeal. Okay, gooey and nice. I must say it's a nice balance.
Is it?
Very nice balance. It's not oversweet. It has a nice tartness to it from the raspberries. And I love the roasted coconut in it.
Oh my gosh,
Beautiful.
that's great.
It's really beautiful, and the crunch of the granola is just perfect. It's delicious, honey. Feeding it to you a little bit so that you know the magic you made.
Oh, how do I do this?
It's perfect.
Oh, it is good.
It's perfect.
Like on Pinterest and Instagram, people make it look like that. Happy Valentine's Day. It's Valentine oatmeal. Thank you. You're my Valentine. This oatmeal is my Valentine. So there you have part 1, which is a relatively easy oatmeal perfect for your Valentine with a sweet tooth. Part 2 is going to come out tomorrow, and that'll be a salty option. So definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching and for supporting this channel. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you sooner than usual. Bye-bye.